Hi, welcome to How to Make Old Things Nice. I'm your host, David Miller. In this episode, we're going to go more extreme than we've ever gone before. The ATA, the American Toilet Association, recommends that you change out your bathroom toilet at least once a year. We've come to a local family in Ashland County and asked if we can help them replace their ugly blue toilet. And they agreed, thankfully, and we are going to have an awesome episode of how to change this toilet into something nice. Hi, Jeff.
Hi, David.
As you can see, we're here going to work on your toilet today. Do you have any concerns about this as we go into it?
Well, I've never changed a toilet before, but I've been reading up on it.
Well, then that's why I'm here too. Because I know how to change toilets.
I don't know what I'd do if you weren't here to help me.
Now, you were just telling me about one of your concerns your mom has...
she said if we don't do it right, it might explode. But I minor concern.
So, we have a chance of this toilet exploding. Anything could happen on How to Make Old Things Nice. This has just gotten extreme! Okay, the first thing we need to do is turn off the water.
Okay.
So if you want to get down there and turn that off. Oh, that's pretty easy, huh?
Yeah, it looks like, I think it's off now.
Okay.
Yeah. I think we need to empty the tank.
Here, open it up. I want to watch this.
The cap actually broke in half. I caulked it together. Pretty exciting.
Wait, what's that say?
Inspector 400.
That means this toilet was made in 400 AD.
It's amazing. I knew it was old. I know it's that old.
Okay, we're flushing the toilet to empty it out so that we can remove this old, gross toilet. You may notice that I use the word gross. That's because it's all scummy on the inside.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty.
Okay. It looks like not all the water's getting out. We're going to have to get something to make sure that it is completely empty before we take the tank off.
Well, there's a little water left in the bowl and the tank after we flushed it, so we're going to shop vac the rest of it out.
Success?
Yeah, definitely. That's pretty extreme.
Okay, now we're going to remove the old toilet. Now everything's ready. We've sort of loosened up the bolts and stuff, so this should be an easy thing. So... Oh yeah. Success!
Very good.
Okay.
Awesome.
Let's move this out of here. Where'd you go?
Wait, maybe,
As you can see, the toilet used to be here. We're going to have to do a little cleanup before we put in the new toilet, but everything is looking great. Jeff here is removing the wax ring that is under all of your toilets at home. This old one is so covered in crap that, well, it's grossing me out, Major.
Didn't really want to touch that.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, we don't really need to look at that. We're going to put a nice clean one on, though it probably won't remain clean for long. Not sure what it does, but we don't ask too many questions around here.
Alright, so we've got the wax cleaned up and we removed the old bolts, so I'm just going to put the new closet bolts into the flange here. Get them ready for our toilet to get on them.
It's important to have these because it anchors the toilet to the floor. Otherwise, the floor could actually not anchor the toilet, which would be,
bad.
yeah, bad. there's one bolt on each side of the toilet. This is because toilets were originally invented by the Japanese, and this is feng shui, which most people know as a evenness of life. One on each side, even in toilets. Okay, we've got the toilet upside down now, so we can put the wax ring, which I've given Jeff here, to place onto the flange of the toilet.
Alright.
That's it?
Yeah, I think that's it.
It's very important. Okay. The wax thing falls off a lot. I don't know really what that does, but it seems important. Okay.
Make it stickier.
So maybe we're gonna glue that in. Here we are, putting the toilet. Okay.
Yeah, I guess you want to make sure you're ready when it does go on for real.
Okay, we're just lowering the toilet onto the bolts that we've already placed. Being careful, the bolts need to get through the holes on each side of the toilet.
Very important.
And you sort of rock the toilet. Put some pressure on it.
Could you come a little more?
I think it's in place.
Oh, this toilet's kind of elongated.
Yeah, it is a
Fancy. Okay, just putting the nuts on the bolts over here. Normal toilet procedure.
You might as well leave the gas on tonight, 'cause you're not going back anytime soon.
moving too much more. Using the toilet.
Still have an hour, and it's only getting darker. Follow me away from here. If I take you to the grave, I will raise you up again. Follow me away from here. If I take you to the grave, I will raise you up again.
Next.
Here's a tank. Gotta put this rubber ring on it.
Which way do you think that goes?
Before, this is obviously upside down.
Probably goes like that, so we probably need to. Looks like it's on there pretty good.
Seriously?
Yeah, I think it's ready to go.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn the tank upside down. I think this side goes.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Now.
Okay, Jeff here is tightening the bolts onto the tank. This is the mechanism that hooks the tank up to the toilet. For those of you who've never done this, it's when you flush, you turn that little knob, or push that little knob, and this is where all the water comes from. A tank on the back of your toilet. You probably never even noticed that before. Okay, I'm now putting the lever on that flushes the toilet.
I think first we need to take this thing off.
Okay. You take part of it off so that you can put it on again. It's called the cycle of the toilet. The toilet cycle.
Okay. I think usually go. I think that's it. Yeah, that looks
good. Yep. Then you put that thingy on. Man, this toilet looks so clean compared to the disgustingness of the other one.
I almost don't want to put water in it.
Well,
keep it here.
Really wouldn't be much use.
I don't even want to use that. It makes me want to just get an outhouse and just keep this here nice and clean.
Well, I guess that's up to you.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty, I guess.
Alright.
Alright.
Looks good.
Oh, it looks like it's functional.
Yeah. That's one good flusher. Then you just attach this chain. Oh yeah, that's how it's supposed to work.
It's high tech.
One more step. Okay, can't really watch what he's doing here, but he's attaching the water supply line. This is the part that fills up the tank after flushing or before.
Alright, it's attached. Seat now.
Oh yeah, we gotta put that seat on or else you're gonna fall in. Okay, we're gonna put the seat on right now. This really is the easiest part and the last part that we have to do before this toilet is usable. Basically, you put these plastic bolts on, then you attach that to the seat. Just watch us and you'll see how it's done.
That's right.
Except for the things you can't see. Then you'll have to guess when you're doing this at home.
Tell me why'd you have to go and make me so constipated? 'Cause right now I'd do anything to just get my bowels evacuated. In the bathroom I sit and I wait and I strain and I sweat and I clench and I feel the pain. Oh, should I take laxatives or have my colon irrigated? No, no, no.
We finally installed this toilet, making this old bathroom nice. Now, if you excuse me for a moment, I've got some business to take care of.